Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Russian join, which is a fantastic way to join yarn without knots. It's seamless, strong, great for color changes and also extending yarn without having to weave in ends later. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do the Russian join with these two colors. I'm going to need this sharp, large needle, and I'm going to start by threading the pink yarn through the needle. Then I'm going to untwist the piles here a little bit, and I'm going to run my needle in the middle of these piles. The longer you run your needle, the stronger the joint is going to be. Okay, and now I'm going to pull my needle out, but make sure not to lose this little loop that you created here. Now I'm going to thread my yellow yarn, same way. And what you want to do is put your needle through this little loop that you created. Pull it out. And we are going to untwist this side a little bit too now. We're going to run the needle down in the middle. I'm doing about my needle's length. Okay, you can take your needle out. And now I'm going to pull on the tail ends. And we can cut off the tail ends, the excess. And there you have it. That is the Russian join. It is very strong, as you can see, and it's perfect if you don't want to weave in ends. And there you have it, the Russian join. It's a super clean and sturdy way to connect yarn. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next one.